No, they don't deserve it. What I care? Kill them. I don't care. I don't trust them. I want them out of here.
What do you think should happen to Gaza?
I want to be civilized with Jews from Israel.
The unit was in charge of explosions. We blew up houses of terrorists, mosque, UN offices. I remember we got into some UN office that was in charge of helping families in Gaza that was affected by the war, and we destroyed it.
We give pastries for the people, for the soldiers, for the cops, for everybody. This is really humanitarian, okay? They need to block the aid to Gaza. They need to block the gas to Gaza. Everything to block, and this is what we do every week, 2, 3, 4 times a week.
And as the Bible says, this place is for us. It's promised for us, so they can starve to death.
אני חושב שצריך, לא יודע, אני חושב שצריך כולם להיות מאוחדים.